So alright sa inyo, nagbabalik na naman po tayo sa panibagong video. Maglalaro po tayo ng Genshin Impact. Kung bago lang dito, hit the like button dyan and mag-subscribe na rin kayo kung bago lang dito. Let's go! So hindi ko nga alam kung ba't kaya ng cellphone ko maglaro ng Genshin Impact. So first time ko lang siya lalaroin ng Genshin Impact kung bago lang dito. Let's get started. So first time ko siya lalaruin ng nasa mobile, okay? First time ko siyang lalaruin, okay? It's my first time trying Genshin Impact. So naka tayo guys, naka lowest setting, naka medium settings tayo at 60 FPS. Yan, let's go. Let's go.
What do you want? Oh, yes. I'd forgotten about that.
Yeah.
These are okay, I guess.
Okay, so ito na nga, magkukuha tayo ng mga items. And let's start. Let's start then. Okay.
If you ever find ore in the future, you can always come and see me.
Okay.
Ideally when I'm not busy. Blacksmith's work takes focus and concentration. It does not take small talk with customers.
Okay.
Craft is good, business is good.
Okay
That's all
then.
there is to this trade. And anyone who tells you different is trying to con you.
Okay.
If there's nothing else, I'll carry on with my work.
Okay. Let's go.
Take your pick.
He's certainly committed to his work. Paimon will give him that.
Okay, so saan tayo pupunta
Timber
ngayon?
isn't great, but leave it to him and he'll be able to forge what you need.
So what we're gonna going then? I don't know. Hindi ko nga alam kung anong gagawin dito kasi natapos ko na yung mga mission dito. So, dito daw. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so meron tayo dito mga teleporting, okay? Meron tayo dito mga teleporting, ganun. Okay, so ang ganda ng graphics kahit naka medium settings tayo. Ang ganda ng graphics, legit. Open the map, okay? Teleport, let's go. Wait lang guys, ingat. Yan, let's go. So, saan tayo pupunta ngayon? Hindi ko na alam. Okay, let's go. Let's teleport. Yo! Ganda ng graphics. Try ko nga yung highest settings. Tatry ko lang tetesting ko lang kung gaano kabaganda yung highest settings. Di pala, high settings pala. Sana di maglag yung cellphone ko. Sana di mag-crash out ba? Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this graphics, dude. Ang ganda ng graphics. Yo. As far as now, hindi naman siya naglalag. Ang ganda ng graphics niya. Sheesh. Damn. Ang ganda ng graphics, dude. Legit. Future blessing. Okay, so let's try. Yan. Okay, so we're gonna go. I don't know. Wait lang. Saan ba tayo pwede mag-teleport? Let's go. Guys, ang ganda ng graphics ha. Yo. So, sabi daw dito guys, hindi ko alam kung ang gagawin ko dito eh. Ano ba yung kailangan kong gawin? Hindi ko alam. Equipment. Ano meron dito sa equipment? Uy, may bago pala no. So, pwede ko pala siyang palitan yung aking sword. Legit. Okay. Let's claim this. Let's claim that. Okay, nice. Which is good then. Okay, so not gonna lie, ang ganda ng graphics. Okay, so ano pang gagawin ko is dito? Guys, comment down below kung ano pang gawin ko dito sa Genshin Impact. Comment down below. Okay, hindi ko pa kasi lang anong gawin ko dito. And yeah. I think that's all, I guess. Ang ganda ng game.
I'll race you there.
I think I'm gonna end the video now. So yun lang guys. And hindi ko siya i-edit. Bale, tatry ko bang i-upload agad sa YouTube, okay? Titesting ko lang ba kung gano'ng kaganda ba. Kasi guys, gagawa tayo ng mga series dito sa video sa ating sa Genshin Impact, okay? Gagawa tayo ng mga series, episode, mga ganun. So yun lang guys. And comment down below kung ano pang gawin ko dito sa Genshin Impact kasi hindi ko pa alam. And ito yung ating current avatar. So nakuha na si Amber. At yung mga ibang pang mga character katulad ni Jean, Lisa, yung mga ibang character ba, tsaka si Paimon. So yun lang guys, thank you for watching guys, salamat sa panonood nyo. Yun lang sa ating Genshin Impact gameplay. Testing pa lang siya, testing ka pa lang siya. Hindi ko pa siya pinaka fully gameplay, okay? Hindi pa siya pinaka fully gameplay, okay? So yun lang, and thank you, and goodbye, see ya, bye bye.